Hello, today's exercise is for your biceps, which are at the front of your upper arm, two heads, biceps means two heads, so coming from the shoulder down to the elbow. It's the main muscle that does bending at the elbow. So you could do it without any weights at all, and just imagining that you have weights in your hands. Maybe try using a resistance band, so you would stick one end under each heel, have the other end in your hand, in your fist, and bringing your hands up, bending your elbows against that resistance. If you want to feel you have weights, the simplest option, just a couple of cans of soup, one in each hand. That isn't very heavy, but once upon a time I would have found that very heavy, but I'm a lot stronger now than I used to be. So, or you can buy weights at the supermarket. So just doing a few reps, you can play around with the rhythm. It doesn't just have to be straight up and down. You could do kind of little movements up and little movements down. That's quite good for control. And for real control, you go for super slow. So really, really, really slow. This is more effective either if you're working with weights or with a resistance band. And this is fantastic for muscle control, and it's great for strengthening the muscle without necessarily bulking it up. So if you want to simply tone your arms but not have big bulging Popeye biceps, then that would be something to try. And strengthening the biceps is actually just reaching behind you, perhaps bending your hands backwards will focus the stretch in the forearm and in the upper arm. And as always with these arms backwards exercises, don't stick your bottom out. Think pelvic tuck underneath, pulling your pelvis in a bit at the front, arms behind you, wrists bent backwards, and that gives you a very nice stretch through the biceps. So I am Christina Raven, the arthritic osteopath who has learnt how to thrive. There is a subscribe button down there if you would like to subscribe to see more of these, and I'll see you again soon. Stay well. Bye now.